So my name is Jason Nicholas. I'm the head of CG at Passion, and I'm responsible for the running and organisation of the studio. As a company, we started out predominantly in kind of advertising, but in my time at Passion, which is nearly 20 years now, we've seen things evolve. We're getting more involved in like documentaries and long form. From a studio perspective, we have studios in Barcelona, London, and in Paris.
Passion is quite a diverse company in terms of its client base, because it's quite unique in that we service customers in animation principally, but we also make documentary feature films. As a studio, we're running about 12 to 15 projects at any one time. They can range from small commercials right way through to kind of more media entertainment or kind of games trailers. So there's a real breadth of kind of projects that we're touching on. I've seen technology change a lot, and the demands of the projects have kind of pushed us to do new things. So we partnered up with Pixit about 10 years ago to kind of find solutions to how to grow, how to kind of be agile as our business, and also kind of make sure we can deliver on the projects that we're doing as well. Artists really don't have time to think about anything other than their creativity. The big challenge always with CG animation is to have enough compute power at your fingertips to be able to render the project to the standard required. It's highly difficult to predict what is going to happen, and we need to react quickly when there's a job which is awarded.
Having an agile model allows us to introduce artists around the world. Over the last 18 months, we've seen a lot of people kind of wanting to work from home, obviously with the pandemic. So we've seen the need for that, and I think this is going to be a kind of a growing need and a kind of desire that people want as well. So having the options to spin up regional kind of hubs or studios, I think is something we want to kind of embrace as a studio to kind of get the best talent around the world. Obviously, with the projects we're running through the studio, we're quite well integrated with ShotGrid to track our projects, to review our work. Whether you're in London or at home, we can track all of that stuff and review it at the same time.
We have an on-premise pick store here, which is our principal storage platform. When we need to render our scenes in the cloud, it means that we have to transfer that data to a pool of servers that can access it quickly with a low latency, meaning that they get data quickly and they are spending their time computing rather than waiting. The way we do this is using Pixit's Engenia platform, and we push data to Amazon S3 storage, and from there we can then pull it directly back to our cloud servers using reverse stubbing.
Having the ability to, as a studio, to grow and expand into the cloud, it's taken the pressure away from technology and made us focus more on the creativity. So we don't have so much pressures of can we deliver, it's more about what are we delivering and focusing on the what we're doing. The formats are kind of merging. I think we're kind of seeing clients wanting content for different platforms, different formats, different sizes, and I think as we move forward to whether it's media and entertainment or advertising, we will see that kind of broaden out more and more. Before the solution came about, before we were able to render in the cloud, we would either not be able to take on the number of jobs that we do now, or we'd have to render them at a lower quality. We don't have to think about these kind of balances anymore. I think we're a lot more organised and a bit more analytical about how we evolve our business, how we evolve our technology. Our pipeline's got stronger. Our artists are having the ability to be more creative and less focused on kind of technical hurdles that they had done in the past. The relationship we have with Pixit is more than just a kind of supplier of storage. A lot of the artists, or a lot of the kind of consultants, should I say, at Pixit are kind of people who have worked in the industry, so they understand our challenges, they understand the benefits that their technology could bring, and kind of have ideas about how we can improve, become more efficient, and kind of grow as a business.